Yo, that was a crazy game last night.
Yo, there she is. Yo, you gotta go, bro.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, Jayla, I was wondering if maybe, like, maybe there's a dance this Friday, so, my God.
Sean, don't ask me, Sean.
I gotta go.
We gotta get that fixed.
Welcome to the Lux.
Yes.
How can I help you?
Well, you see, my friend here kind of has a little problem with her teeth.
What's that?
Don't be afraid to smile.
Perhaps we have something here that can help you.
Yes,
Yeah.
I really need that. Definitely.
Let's do it.
Okay, great.
What am I working with today? Hey!
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's see if we can get that fixed for you today.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
I really need your help.
Well, that's great. I'm here to help. I heard about your situation, so.
Yeah.
Well, let me see what we're working with. That's fine. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Let me get on that right now.
So I heard about your problem, but it really can't be that bad, right?
Yeah. Thanks for helping me. It's really an emergency.
No problem. Let me see. Oh! I think I can help you.
Okay.
Wow, I knew my teeth were bad, but I didn't know they were this bad. I was sure that getting help from Deluxe Dental was a great idea. They use new technology like 3D scanning, printing, and zirconium molding to help people like me. They've been making implants, partials, and dentures for decades. Everyone at Deluxe talks about improving the quality of life, and they were right.
You doing that social studies test?
I did really good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hey, Sean.
Wow. Jayla, wait up.